AV Style did the ceiling for us, and AV Style did well actually. They did our ceiling of sitting room, dining room, and also the kitchen.
I'm very happy to choose this kind of ceiling because this ceiling it's shiny, it's brilliant. It makes your house looks bigger, and it's very stylish.
AV Style was amazing. AV Style personnel has responsibility to do their job.
All of my friends and family, when they saw the ceiling, they were very surprised, and all of them, they decided to use this ceiling for their house.